Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a free Mailchimp account. Whether you're a small business owner looking to expand your reach, or you're just getting started with email marketing, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly. So let's dive right in and get started with one of the most popular email marketing platforms out there. First things first, head over to the Mailchimp website. Once you're there, look for the button labeled Sign Up and click it. This will take you to a page showing various plans. Click on the tab Compare All Features and select the Sign Up Free option. On the next screen, you can create your account by entering an email address, username, and password. I'll be signing up using Google, but I recommend using your professional business email. After that, click Continue. Next, you'll be asked for some basic information, including your name, business name, and address. Then, select the option that best describes your organization. I'm choosing e-commerce, but you can select what fits or skip this part for now. They will also ask, what tools are you currently using? You can choose from the options, or you can skip this part. And give you the option to link your website. This helps Mailchimp personalize your experience and optimize it for your specific business needs. Then, after confirming your industry, select your audience size. If you're just starting, choose 0 to 500. Click Continue Free while they prepare your account. From here, you can connect your existing platforms or jump straight to the dashboard. And that's it. We are now on the Mailchimp dashboard. There are so many features here: campaigns, automations, audience analytics, and websites, which we will learn step by step. I hope this helped you successfully create your Mailchimp account.